Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Tapcart from your Shopify mobile app setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Tapcart from your Shopify mobile app setup, begin by opening your Shopify admin panel. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the Apps section located on the left-hand side. Click on Apps to view the list of applications integrated with your Shopify store. Locate Tapcart in the list of installed apps. Click on Tapcart to access its settings and features. In the Tapcart app interface, look for the option to uninstall or remove the app. This option is often found at the bottom of the settings menu or in the app's overview page. Click on the uninstall option to begin the process. A confirmation window may appear to ensure you want to proceed with the uninstallation. Read any warnings or notices presented, as they may contain important information about data retention or app integrations. Confirm your decision to uninstall Tapcart by clicking the appropriate button. Wait for the process to complete. Once the uninstallation is complete, return to the Apps section in your Shopify admin panel. Verify that Tapcart is no longer listed among your installed apps. To ensure a thorough removal, check for any lingering settings or integrations associated with Tapcart. If you find any remaining data, follow the provided instructions for complete removal, if applicable. You have successfully uninstalled Tapcart from your Shopify mobile app setup. Review your mobile app settings to finalize any necessary adjustments after the removal. Congratulations on completing the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.